Hi, in this video we will see how to create an Andruav account from website directly. First, we open Andruav website. We go to account management. Here I created an email. I will register using this email. Press AccessCode. This is a validation. Press create. Let's check the mail. Here it is, my access code. So I can go back here, open Andruav website, the web client, and then I will enter using this email. Here it is, the email. And here it is, the access code.
Connected.
And it's connected. Thank you.
Disconnected.